is Chris Frisch, Technical Support Specialist with JSCAPE. In this video we will be discussing the JSCAPE MFT Server plugin for Outlook. I will show you where to get the plugin, how to install it, and how to use it. Many of you may have experienced slowness issues with Outlook mail servers due to users sending large file attachments. Well, JSCAPE MFT Server plugin for Outlook is a great tool for users to quickly and easily send files in a secure manner without causing excessive load on mail servers. So let's get the plugin downloaded and installed so we can see how this works. You can download the JSCAPE MFT Server plugin for Outlook at our website at jscape.com. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to install the plugin. Take note that currently the plugin is compatible only with Outlook 2010. JSCAPE MFT Server plugin for Outlook allows users to email files securely without actually having to email the files. The plugin lets users send a link to a file they have uploaded to JSCAPE MFT Server so that the file does not actually get inserted into the email. The plugin allows for seamless functionality that does not change the way the user would normally attach a file to an email. So here we are in Outlook with our new plugin installed. First off, we need to configure the plugin. We want to click on the JSCAPE MFT Server plugin tab and click on the Credentials button. This is where we will enter the information needed to connect to our JSCAPE MFT server. You'll need the IP address of your server, the MFT server domain name, username, and password. Once you have this entered, you can click on the test button to verify that you have connection and click OK. We also have several options for changing the settings on this plugin. On the message settings window, we have options for the use of add-in, file size range to use the add-in, and password options. We also have options to zip files when we upload them. We can also define a regular expression for file rules. We can configure logging here. We can also use the file uploader option to upload files directly to JSCAPE MFT Server with the plugin. The About button here will simply tell you what version of the plugin you are running, which may come in handy when you seek support for this plugin. So now that we have our plugin installed and configured, let's use the plugin and send an email. As I mentioned before, the use of the plugin does not really change the way that you would normally send a file in an email with Outlook. The only difference now is that when you click the send button, you will be prompted yes or no as to whether you want to use the plugin to send the file. You can also remove the prompt so that Outlook always uses the plugin as well. So here we're just going to select a file to attach, and we'll insert just like we normally would, and we'll click send. And you see here we'll be prompted to use the plugin, and click yes. So now we are going to look at what the sent email looks like. As you can see, there is a random password inserted into the email here for access to the file. I'm just going to copy that password and click on the link in the email. Now I will just copy the password and click download. And now I have my file. So in this tutorial you learned what the Outlook plugin is, what it does, and how it works. We talked about how the plugin does not change the way someone would normally send a file in Outlook, and how easy it is to use the JSCAPE MFT Server plugin. We also talked about how the JSCAPE MFT Server plugin for Outlook can reduce load on mail servers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like more information on JSCAPE MFT Server or the Outlook plugin, please visit jscape.com. Thanks for watching.